With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello students, let's discuss the question. Number of values of x belong to minus 2 pi to 2 pi, satisfying the equation 2 power sin square x plus 4 into 2 power cos square x equal to 6 is. So let's begin with solution of this question. So here we can just modify our given equation and we can write this as a 2 power sin square x here, and here this is 4 into this 2 power cos square x. So this cos square x can be written as 1 minus sin square x also. So we can write this as 2 power this 1 minus, here this will be sin square x, and here this x, that is equal to this 6. So from here our equation will be like this, that is 2 power sin square x, and here this will be plus 4 into this 2 power 1, so it will be 2, and in division power will be subtracted. So here this power is in subtraction, so we can take this 2 power sin square x in the division. So here this will be 2 power sin square x, and here this is 6. So if first we will just assume this 2 power sin square x as t. So let this t equal to this 2 power sin square x. So we can write this equation like this, that is t plus here this will be 4 into 2, that is 8. So 8 by t, that is equal to 6. Now if we will just take LCM, so it will be t square plus 8 on the left hand side, that will be equal to 6 into t, that is this t after LCM, so it will be 60. So from here we can take this term on the left hand side, so we get this equation as t square minus 60, and here this is plus 8, that is equal to 0. So here we have two factors for this equation whose product will be 8 and sum will be minus 6. So minus 4 and minus 2 are those factors, that is t square minus 4t, and here this will be minus 2t plus 8, that is equal to 0. So from here this t square minus 4, so we can say that t and common, and here this will be t minus 2, this t minus 4 here, and here it will be minus 1 common, so it will be this minus 2, and here this will be t minus 4, that is equal to 0. So this is the factorization of the above equation by splitting the middle term. So from here if we will write the value of this t, so t minus 2 is first factor, and another factor will be t minus 4, that are equal to 0. So we get t equal to this 2 and t equal to this 4. So now we have assumed the t equal to 2 power sin square x. So this 2 power sin square x, so this 2 can be written as 2 power 1, so 2 power 1. So from here we have this sin square x, that is equal to 1. This is first interval, and second this 2 power 4, this t equal to 4, so 2 power sin square x, that is equal to this 2 power 2. This 4 can be written as 2 power 2. So here if we will just write, so this 2 power 2 is the value. So from here this sin square x is coming out to be this equal to 2, but sin square x cannot be 2 because the value is from minus 1 to minus this plus 1. So value of sin square x is always less than or equal to this 1. So this is incorrect, this is correct. So sin square x equal to 1 we have for finding the solution of x. So here we can write this sin square x, this is equal to this 1. So here the interval is given as minus 2 pi to 2 pi. So from here the general solution for this type of equation, that is if it is like the formula is sin square x, that is given as a sin square alpha, where alpha is the smallest positive angle for satisfying this equation. So we can write this x will be equal to this n pi plus minus alpha, this is the value. So from here if we will write this sin square x is basically sin pi by 2 square, so it will be this sin square x, this is equal to sin square pi by 2. So here we can write pi by 2, so we get the value of alpha, that is pi by 2. So we can write x equal to this n pi, here this will be plus minus pi by 2. Now if we will put the value of n equal to 0, so at n equal to 0 this x will be two values, that is 0 plus minus pi by 2. So this pi by 2 will be first value and minus pi by 2 will be the second value. Similarly at n equal to 1 we can say, at n equal to 1, so here it will be pi plus minus pi by 2. So pi minus pi by 2 is basically pi by 2, and pi plus pi by 2, that will be equal to 3 pi by 2. So this value we have. Further if we will just say that n is equal to 2, so at n is equal to this 2, if we will write, so it will be 2 pi plus minus pi by 2. So here the interval given in the question if we will just see, so the interval in the question is from minus 2 pi to 2 pi. So a value which is greater than 2 pi is invalid. So here we will just take one value, that is this 2 pi putting 2 equal to here n in this formula. So 2 pi minus pi by 2, that will be 3 pi by 2, that is only the value, so 3 pi by 2. Now if we'll just put negative values of x, this n, so n equal to minus 1, so it will be minus pi, and here it will be this plus minus pi by 2, so minus pi plus pi by 2 is first value, second value we can write minus pi by 2. So if we will further simplify, so we get this at n equal to minus 1 only, we have two values, that is minus pi plus pi by 2 is minus pi by 2, and another value is this minus pi by 2, so it is minus 3 pi by 2. Now if we will put this n equal to minus 2, so n equal to minus 2, we have this value of this will be minus 2 plus minus pi by 2, so minus 2 here, and plus minus pi by 2, so this minus 2 pi here, so minus 2 pi plus minus pi by 2, and here it will be, we can solve this equation, so we get these two values of this n. So from here the values we get, so at n equal to minus 2 only, we have two values, that is this minus 2 pi and minus pi by 2, that will be an invalid answer because our value of this x is belonging from minus 2 pi to 2 pi. So here we will just consider this positive sign, so it will be minus 2 pi plus this pi by 2, so minus 2 pi plus pi by 2, and if we'll just find the value of this, so it will be 2 into 2, that is minus 4, and minus 4 plus pi, so it will be minus 3 pi by 4. So this is a value which is valid. So from here if we'll just take the common value from here, so this pi by 2, this pi by 2 is a distinct answer, here this minus pi by 2 is also distinct answer, so two value, here this pi by 2 is common, here this 3 pi by 2 is distinct, so 1 2 3 here, and this is also common, here this minus pi by 2, so here we have already did minus pi by 2, so from here this minus 3 pi by 2, so we can just make a star here, so this is also a distinct value, that is minus 3 pi by 2, and here also this minus 3 pi by 2 is here, so here this is also a repeated value. So final will be this pi by 2 minus pi by 2, this 3 pi by 2 and minus 3 pi by 2. So we can write a final answer for this question, that is x is equal to pi by 2 minus pi by 2, and another is this minus 3 pi by 2, and another is this 3 pi by 2. So there are total 4 values. So number of solution in the question asked, so number of solution equal to 4 in the given interval. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut App today.